Hello, I'm Mrs. Karen Long, Principal of the Elementary and Intermediate Schools. We have just listened to Mr. Tom Volker, Director of Curriculum Instruction, describe the shift of PA academic standards to the PA core standards. I will explain what the PA core standards look like in a classroom at our level. As we compare the old PA academic standards to the new PA core standards, we do not see adding or taking out materials or content that we need to teach our students. It is more of a shift of teaching information to a younger grade. We also want to go a little deeper into the child's understanding of a topic. Teachers are asked different types of questions in the classroom to have students process the information differently. I will give a couple examples. My first example is of a first grade classroom. While using the PA academic standards, students will be asked to identify a line of symmetry on a shape or to draw a line of symmetry on a shape. Now our students will be doing these two skills at the kindergarten level. At the first grade classroom, while using the PA core standards, students will be asked to make two-dimensional shapes, such as a rectangle or triangle, or a three-dimensional shape, such as cubes or rectangular prisms, to create new shapes. One example of this would be putting three squares together to make a long rectangle. The teacher will be asking his or her students to make observations, to create, or to investigate in the classroom. These are level 2 and level 3 depth of knowledge questions that Mr. Volker discussed earlier. My second example is of a third grade classroom. Students in the past, while using the PA academic standards, would be asked to measure an item using a ruler. Now our students will be doing this skill at a second grade level. In the third grade classroom, while using the PA core standard, students will be asked to measure objects to the whole inch, half inch, and 1/4 inch, and then to record their findings on a line plot. For this illustration, the horizontal line on that line plot will be separated into the whole inch, half inch, or 1/4 inch. The students will record their answers on this line plot by using a graph like this. It can be easily read on which measurement was found the most often. The teacher will be asking his or her students to collect data, to categorize the data, and to display the data on a graph. These are examples of level 2 depth of knowledge questions. As you can see, our classrooms are a cognitively busy place for our students. I hope you found this information helpful in understanding how the PA Common Core looks at the elementary and intermediate level.